I'm going to start a course which is not available anywhere. As far as I know, this course is not available anywhere. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is AI Generalist program. Lead the AI revolution. So guys, world is changing so fast. Only thing that is constant in the world now is change. Okay. Now, businesses have to adapt to this change very fast. They have to change their products according to the changes in the world. Now, the problem is we don't need specialists. If you are a front-end developer, we don't want you. If you are a back-end developer, we don't want you. If you are a ML engineer, we don't want you, right? So we don't want specialists. We want a generalist. The reason is when you join some company and when they give you the job description, now preparing the job description is very difficult because the jobs are going to change within days, within months, not even years. The job description for which you are hired now, that job will not be there after few days or few months. Now companies can't keep on hiring and firing people because you are not suitable for the job. So what are companies doing? Now a new role has come up which is called AI generalist, and that is the future. What does the AI generalist do? He will be able to build anything within hours, within days, not within months. I am an AI journalist. And in my company, we have hired 4 AI journalists and all of their salaries are above 1 lakh. Above 1 lakh. These are the jobs of the future. In future, there will be no coding jobs. Nothing. Everything will be taken away by AI. And all that we need is a AI journalist who will be able to build anything, any app, any automation, any full stack development, anything, you should be able to do it. Not within months, within hours, within days. I can do the same work that takes 10 people 10 days. Okay, in 1 hour. Let's do it as a challenge. Okay, I will take a live session. You ask me what to build. I will build it in 1 month, one hour. That's it. Because I'm an AI journalist, right? This is the future, guys. We are there. No one is going to ask you for the syntax of a programming language any longer. If an interviewer asks you for to write a program, just ask him, why don't you ask AI? Why are you asking me? If he asks you for syntax, just ask him to go and Google it out. Man, please. We are Gen Z, right? We don't write code. We do vibe coding, isn't it? We are the Gen Z and I am the Gen Z. Okay, so this course is for the Gen Z and let's talk about this course. Okay, okay. So see, this course is a never ending course. Even though I'm giving a duration of 6 months, in 6 months you will be job ready. That I can promise you. But this course will never end because every day there are hundreds of AI models coming up. Every day there is a lot to learn about AI models. It is changing so drastically that even if I tell you the curriculum today, after 1 or 2 months, the curriculum will be outdated. But I have to give some curriculum. That is why I'm giving the curriculum. But entire things, all these things will change. In 6 months, you are not going to see any of this. Then again, I will start with the new AI tools. So this is an ongoing course which will never end throughout my life. As long as I'm alive, I will be doing this course. This is AI course. Okay. So this is a 6-month journey, multi-domain learning. You will be learning about multiple domains from LLMs to agents to full stack AI without writing code. You will be generating the code without writing code. And then we will focus on real world problems. Just see my website, how beautiful it is. Isn't it beautiful, guys? How is my website? Ravindrababuravula.in. Just I made it in 3 days. I took 3 days to make the entire website. Just 3 days. I have AI journalists as assistants, but then I made it in 3 days. And I will teach you how I made that website. That is part of the curriculum. Without writing any code, how did I make my website? I have forum in it. I have blogs in it. I have chat in it. I have courses in it. How did I create all this in 3 days? Please start reading my blogs. They are amazing. Even for writing blogs, we have built a tool. Everything is automated. If I give a video to the tool, it will generate a beautiful blog with all the pictures without doing anything, without paying any money. You know, all the AI tools will give you free credits. If free credits are over, you change the email ID and you get again free credits without spending 1 rupee. I am writing blogs. I am creating, you must have seen my thumbnails. They are amazing, right? I'm creating thumbnails. I'm creating posters without actually doing anything manually. That is the future. No one will ask for coding any longer. Forget about coding. Okay. So I'm going to teach you first how I built my website. I will take a small website, build it, next small website, build it. I will explain you feature by feature, and then build my entire website. You are going to do it as a project. And after you know how to do the websites, I will tell you any complex website you take, you will build it in 2 hours. Now, as students, you can take freelance projects and make hell a lot of money by using AI tools. I'm going to teach you that. It's not just about websites, you can build any app. Okay. Hands-on approach. We will teach you, and in fact, we will mentor you to do projects. Okay. Now, what can an AI generalist do? He will build and deploy custom AI solutions, bridge the gap between specialists. He has multi-domain knowledge. He can work in any team. You can hire him and just put him anywhere you want. You don't have to give any job description to AI generalist. That is why he is called a generalist, right? Now, identify the right AI tools. That is what you need. Which AI tools to use? There are thousands of AI tools. Which one is better? Which one is for what purpose? You should know all that. That is what I am going to teach. Okay. Now, who is this course for? For the students who want to build something. For the students who want to become entrepreneurs. Now, there is no need for an entrepreneur. Solopreneur is the future. Solopreneur means there will be one guy who will build the entire company, who will run the entire company, and who will take the entire money. One guy is sufficient to build anything now. One guy. One guy. I will tell you how to build lead code by yourself. I will tell you how to build any forum or any app for such. Don't worry, I will teach you everything. Okay. So people who have 1 to 3 years of experience, they can explore this. 3 to 9 years of experience, they can explore this. 10 plus years of experience. So actually, what do I mean by say A union, B union, C is universal set, right? So this is the universal set actually, right? I didn't leave out anyone. Okay, cool. This can be for everyone. Now, foundations of LLM, RAG and prompt engineering is going to be level 1 and level 2. We have divided the course into levels. In level 1 and level 2, you are going to see introduction to AI applications, LLMs, prompt engineering and RAG. Okay. And then in level 1 and level 2, these are all the Gen AI tools you are going to learn. These are all the Gen AI tools you are going to learn. This is in level 1 and level 2, right? Now, what will you walk away after level 1 and level 2? You will understand LLMs completely and you will write effective prompts and you will work with APIs and tools and you will build basic AI apps. You will be able to build basic apps after level 1. Okay. Now, what will we do at level 3? Level 1 and level 2 is about basics. Level 3 is AI for image and video creation. Why did I do this? Because many people want images and video creation for marketing. As a student, if you learn this, you can help some companies just as an intern in their marketing, right? And you can still be doing BTech first year, but still you will be working for some company building beautiful images and videos for their marketing, right? And we use this in our day-to-day life. So we are going to see generative AI for images and video, diffusion models, text to image generation, image editing, video generation, voice generation. All this we are going to see in this level 3. Now, what are the AI tools that you are going to learn in image and video generation? Leonardo AI, Midjourney, Runway ML, Pika AI, Hagen, Synthesia, Stability AI, DID, and 11 Labs. You are going to learn all these tools. Now, what will you walk away with? You will be able to generate beautiful images and videos, state of the art. No one will understand that they are actually AI created. Okay. And you will be able to create beautiful marketing content, right? And you will be able to earn a lot of part-time money being a student, and you will be able to build creative workflows. Okay. Then level 4, it is to automate tasks with AI agents. Are you seeing my LinkedIn posts? They are done by AI. We have a tool which will take the input and then convert into a LinkedIn post and then post it on the LinkedIn. We have completely automated it. So any repetitive task, you can automate it. I will tell you how to automate your LinkedIn. Every day at 5 a.m. or 8 a.m., whatever time you want, one post will be posted on your LinkedIn in the same tone that you speak. Okay? Cool. Now, automation tools you will learn here are N8N, Zapier, Make, LangChain, Relevance AI, and Agentic AI. Agentive AI. Now, what will you walk away with? Building automation workflows, automate business processes, connect multiple applications, create intelligent systems. These are the things you will walk away with. And then building AI powered applications. So we are going to, in level 5, we will build AI powered applications, build applications using AI tools, create chatbots, integrate APIs, deploy the applications. You will be able to deploy your application which will be production ready. Okay. Now, what are the app development tools you will learn in level 5? Vercel, Cursor AI, Bubble, Superbase, and Bolt.new. Okay. What will you walk away with? You will be able to build a very good AI powered app, and you will be able to deploy them with the backend, and you will be able to create real world tools which will be used in real world. Now, at the end, level 6 is about final project. You come up with an idea and we will tell you how to implement it. In fact, we don't have to tell you, you will only do it. But we will handhold you and help you in implementing these projects, right? And you are going to apply all the concepts that that you have learned so far, and you are going to solve a real world problem that could turn into a very big company in future, and you are going to build end to end solutions. Okay, end to end solutions. Then tools that you will use for your project are Cursor AI, Postman, SDXL, Runway ML, 11 Labs, LangChain, or N8N. Cool. What will you walk away with? You will be able to design complete AI solutions, integrate multiple tools, launch and demonstrate your tool. And in fact, once your project is ready, and if it is really good, we are going to fund your project and we are going to give you office space to build it or make it a company. If you have an idea, take this course. You will implement this idea on your own. Then if your idea is really great and if your system is very strong, we will give you funding, we'll give you office space. And in fact, I will invite you to Hyderabad to give a demo to everyone. That will give you a lot of publicity and initial subscribers for your product. Okay, fine. Skills you will gain in this total course is 6 levels of mastery. We have totally 6 levels. In 6 months, we are going to cover 6 levels. And after that, you are actually going to learn 30 plus AI tools and 5 core skill areas and one real capstone project. You are going to do one real capstone project. Okay. Fine. The final takeaway is learn AI fundamentals, apply tools and workflows, build real world solutions. Okay, cool. That's all about generative AI. Now the question is, where is this course going to happen and what is its cost? Today, the cost of this course is 30,000 and from tomorrow it is going to be 60,000. So if you want to enroll for this course, enroll today. Only today it is 30,000. From tomorrow onwards, it is going to be 60,000 because I don't want a lot of people. If I have a very small group of people, I will be able to handhold them and then take them throughout this journey. So, yes, today it is 30,000 rupees plus GST. Tomorrow it is going to be 60,000 rupees plus GST. Okay. Okay.